In Kotlin, data types are classifications that specify which type of data can be stored in a variable. They define the kind of values a variable can hold and the operations that can be performed on those values. In Kotlin, data types can be categorized into two main groups: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types, also known as basic data types or value types, are the fundamental building blocks for representing simple data. They directly represent values and have a fixed size in memory. In Kotlin, primitive data type includes integers, float, char, and Boolean. Integers represent whole numbers. The common integer types in Kotlin are int, short, long, and byte. The second primitive type is the float. Floating point numbers. These represent numbers with decimal points. The common floating point types in Kotlin are double and float. The third type is characters. These represent single characters such as letters or symbols. The char type is used for character data. Booleans. These represent true or false values. The Boolean type is used for Boolean data. Non-primitive data types, also known as reference types, are more complex data structures that don't directly represent values, but instead hold references to objects or data structures. In Kotlin, non-primitive data types include strings. The string type represents sequences of characters. Custom classes. You can define your own custom classes to create complex data structures combining primitive and non-primitive types. Arrays, which are a data structure used to store a collection of elements of the same data type. Also, we have collections, nullable types, and so on as non-primitive data types. So let's start learning about these primitive and non-primitive data types.